Hello, this is Tanya Shadeen with Keller Williams Realty. I am at 110 Cedar View Circle in the Cypress Ridge community. This home is located on a very quiet, low traffic street, covered front porch. It is a 2021 home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. On the main floor, you have luxury vinyl plank flooring, a flex space at the front of the house with French doors. Main floor powder room, and a nice open floor plan with the kitchen, dining area, and living room space. Upstairs, you will find 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Outside is a beautiful fenced-in backyard that has lagoon view. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.